Bottom of the deck, there's the Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you, you're going to get an offer. It's an offer coming in that you deserve. This person's afraid you're going to cut them off. Maybe you recently cut them off, or you cut them off not too long ago. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra. But I'm seeing the truth is coming out. Yeah, whoever messed up, they're going to say that they want to balance things out with you. Okay. Could be dealing with a Leo, but they just don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Oh, look at that on the same row. There are two women here. Y'all know how my court cards could be two men, but I'm seeing two women. This was the problem. So I feel like there is a woman or a man that has been blocking. Now, let's just say if it's a woman, this is a mother or a mother figure. Somebody has been blocking some type of connection, and I feel like the person that wants to come back to make it right, they've been watching you from afar. This person definitely has been spying on you, keeping tabs on you, because, see, they're trying to figure out, okay, what am I supposed to do? This person was definitely juggling. And now they're, yeah, I just heard suffering. Oh, Lord. I just feel like suffering just means, you know, they're just going through. They're like, I made a big mistake. Because, see, right now, they're going through lessons. And they can't move forward with you just yet. See? They're going to be listening to their intuition. They're coming back in. Oh, but you see what I'm saying? This other woman, whoever this is, or man, they're very controlling. Very controlling energy here. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. And this is why your person isn't talking to you. Okay, so I'm seeing something's gonna happen really fast. This person's gonna get out of some type of relationship, the commitment, marriage. If they're just committed to this person, like friendship, family, I see them breaking out of it. But they're afraid that you're not gonna want to be with them anymore. See, now they don't know what to do. So I told you they want to get to know you. They want to start over with you. All right, so why is the Queen of Pentacles here? Four of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, they feel like you're moving on. They feel like you're done. You're in a good space. And they don't want you to leave them alone. You know, they want things to improve with you. And so they're talking to other people, trying to figure out, okay, how can I take this leap to fix things with Gemini? Crosswatcher, they could be saying that about you. But see, I told y'all there was a third party here. You got 2 3s and they're both reversed. They feel like you don't want to build with them anymore because of that third party situation, but they're coming to tell you they got out of it. See, and it caused a lot of like arguments, disagreements. Not with, I feel like you guys could have gotten into it in the past, but I feel like it's the person that I'm picking up on, they've been going through it with this other individual or individuals on their side. Tell me more. Yeah, see, right now, it's like they're healing. You know, it's like they're healing from their karmic lessons that they've been going through, but they want to come back and make it right with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. They're coming out of feeling like they lost you. Could be dealing with the Pisces here. But see, there were a lot of secrets, lies, deception, you know. And this is why I saw that they're listening to their intuition, because I'm seeing they're making a decision. See, they want to heal things with you, but they feel like you don't want to talk to them anymore. They know they messed up. See, the seeds they planted with you, they feel like they're not going to grow. Okay. Okay, let's see. This person is going to have the confidence to come towards you because they do not want you to walk away. The thing is, because of the past, because of what they've done to you, they feel like it's over. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. So they're back and forth with making a decision, because see, at times when they're confident about, okay, this is what I'm going to do, I'm going to approach him, approach her, and I'm going to say X, Y, and Z, they get scared and they get stuck and they don't say anything at all. Clarify? Yeah. So there's a person here. I feel like whoever I'm picking up on, they're just focusing on themselves right now. They're focusing on money. They could just be throwing themselves into work right now. Because, see, I feel like for some of you guys, that's how they escape their thoughts, you know, and this is why they're not making a move just yet. Because, see, they got to figure out how to get out of some type of family situation. See, look at that. For some of you guys, there's definitely some type of family situation. There could be a child involved that they don't want to leave out in the cold. Child or children, you know, and this is why they're not giving you the offer just yet. See, this is why they're moving slow. For some of you guys, I'm picking up maybe you have a family with this other person and they could have left you out in the cold, you know, and now they're like, you know what? This person's not going to take my offer because I messed up. If there aren't any children involved, it's just letting me know they want happiness with you, but because of, they basically did you dirty, you know, and so they're moving slow trying to figure this out. See, there is some type of family situation going on. Whoever I'm picking up on, it's family, living situation. The fact that 2 4s are right here, home, family, living situation, and see, they're not happy. Whatever this situation is that I'm picking up on, for whoever it is, they're not happy at all. And see, they're making plans to have a new opportunity with you. But see, I told you, they're going through lessons. This was their lesson, because they wouldn't listen to their intuition. Somebody's dealing with a Virgo. Tell me more. Okay. So they're coming out of feeling frustrated. Okay, let's see. Ooh, a lot of cards. Yeah, they know what they need to do. They're just moving really slow. Somebody's definitely removing themselves out of some type of contract, marriage, commitment. And I'm seeing this is why they're not moving forward with you just yet. But they are going to speak their truth. Some of them feel like it's too late. They feel like you don't want anything to do with them. And see, look, I told you, they're going to have the confidence to come and speak their truth to you. But the problem is, they know that they were being sneaky in the past. This is why they're like, you know what? He or she's going to turn my offer down. See? Wow, I have 2 9s. See what I'm saying? There was some type of lesson here this person was going through. It was a karmic cycle, and this cycle is coming to an end. But because this person was being sneaky in the past, it's like they can't sleep. This person is overthinking things, and they feel stuck. Somebody feels stuck in some type of home, family, living situation, see? But they don't want you to cut them off. See, because they want to balance things out. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Look at that. You are going to get an offer from this person. What's this? But they're going to go slow. It's going to be a small offer because they want to make things right. They want to heal things with you because they know that they didn't balance things out. Why is the devil here? Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil. Somebody's worried that things may not improve. Somebody could be worried about finances. Yeah, they're upset. Oh, hold on. Yeah, somebody's upset because, see, this is still going to take some time. And right now, yeah, somebody feels they're responsible. Like I said, there's some type of family situation that somebody, you know, feels, you know, I'm not going to say obligated, but you know what I'm saying? They feel like I'm responsible. I have to take care of my family or the family that I created. You know, I'm the one that's there. You know, I'm the official person. But regardless, it's like they're thinking about everything that they've done to you. And see, they want to have a victory with you, but they know that they stabbed you in the back, and that's why they're upset. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But I told you, they can't move forward with you just yet. Yep, they were feeling stuck. But see, they're going to free themselves from this third-party situation. But see, they're afraid they're going to take a loss, financially speaking. See, this person's worried about money. Somebody's definitely worried about their finances, and they're worried because they had you waiting around. And see, they're back and forth with Judgment. Okay. So, they're, okay, I'm picking up something. So, this is the thing. For some of you, this person knows if they leave the situation, there's a contract or some type of like court situation, and that's why they're worried about money. This is why they're worried about taking a loss. And remember, I told you, for some of you guys, this is like some type of like family situation. This could be living arrangements, you know, them needing to break a lease, and they're gonna have to cough up some money. So yeah, this is why they're barely talking to you right now. Little to no communication, because I'm seeing they do want a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. But they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around. You're going to get the offer from them, though. Look at that. See what I'm saying? You have 2 aces. You are definitely going to get an offer from them. And it's a really good offer. See, they're trying to be positive. I'm seeing they're trying to manifest this. Gemini, you could be dealing with another Gemini, but see, they know that they didn't do right by you, and this is why they're afraid they're not going to have this new beginning. They're not going to have this new start, because every time they want to say something to you, they don't. This person is in their head, but I do feel like there's going to be some type of battle here from them walking away from a situation in order to move forward with you. There's going to be an issue on their end. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Pentacles reversed. So somebody is afraid that they're not going to get the offer that they want. So let's see. But look at that. You do have an offer coming in, guys. You definitely do. Because I'm seeing that somebody's making a change. Because they want a new beginning with you. But you can't help but to think about this third-party situation that they put you in. You know, and they broke your heart. See, Nine of Pentacles tried to jump out of my hands. It's like you had no choice but to free yourself from the situation. But you're still holding on to this person. Whoever I'm picking up on, you're holding on to them. Because, see, you want an offer of a new beginning with them. But I have 2 3. Ooh. I have 2 3s here. So, again, there's a third party. But I don't know why I said ooh like that. Because there's a pregnancy. Or there will be a pregnancy. So whether this is you guys I'm picking up on with the pregnancy, maybe the person that you were dealing with could have been pregnant. If it's not a pregnancy, because it's not everybody's situation, I'm seeing that there will be a new beginning and things will improve for you. But see, the fact that you guys feel left out in the cold, I feel like there was a pregnancy. There was a pregnancy. Tell me more. Somebody is healing from feeling left out in the cold, betrayed, yeah. Somebody feels like the seeds that were planted, they're not going to grow. But you guys know what you have to do. And you're moving forward. You're just taking your time, which is fine. So, you're going to end up making a decision. But you don't have a peace of mind. But see, you have 2 9s here. There's been this cycle going on between you and this individual. You're putting an end to it. See? You're deciding to get out of this commitment, marriage, relationship, whatever it is. See what I'm saying? You made that final judgment call. You made that final decision because you didn't see yourself having stability with this person. You know, there's a death card. I told you. You're putting an end to it. You're no longer putting any energy into this situation. Something tried to jump out. Yep. I just see you having the strength to do what you have to do so you can move on. Because, see, this person, they're not talking. They're not opening up. You feel like they haven't changed. So you're making the changes. But, see, I feel like this is you. You're back and forth with telling this person this, communicating this. Give me 5 more. Tell me more. Yeah, look at that. It's codependent. There's codependency here. So for some of you guys, you're realizing the situation is codependent or somebody is dealing with a codependent situation. See, Gemini, there's your card. I'm seeing there's love coming in, but you're like, you know what? I don't see myself building with this person. Yep. Because look, this person could still be isolating themselves. And it's like, yes, you would like for things to improve, but right now it's like you're not happy with them, but you're still watching them. Some of you guys are still keeping an eye out on this person. Gemini, y'all need to leave me some comments, okay? Leave me some comments, please, because this is like a cliffhanger. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to end it, but hold on. Clarify the Page of Swords. Okay. Spirit is saying they want you guys to basically stay positive. Yeah, you got to remove yourself out of this relationship, this commitment. But I see somebody's having a hard time with that. See what I'm saying? Something's going to move fast. Hold on, y'all. I can't. Some keep saying keep going. Something's going to move fast. It could be this person coming in wanting to offer you an apology. Yeah, the truth is going to come out. But see, when they come back to speak their truth, the way this card just came out, it's like 1 minute you want to turn things around, but the next minute you're unsure. See? Ooh. Oh, y'all, look at this. Okay. They're saying that this family, you see yourself having a family with them, right? Or maybe for some of you, you already have a family. But this is the problem. They're saying you're going to cut them off because you're realizing they're immature and there's another woman. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, look at that. You're realizing this person had other options and you're like, nope, I'm good. For some of you guys, by the time this person comes back, this could be you having other options. But regardless, y'all like, I don't know. Y'all gotta leave me some comments. This one's good. This is good. See, look at, y'all are walking away. I see you walking away from this toxic situation because you're realizing the truth and you're no longer putting any energy into this. You're done. You're not putting any work into this. Yeah. Y'all, leave me some comments. I'm done with y'all. Leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you.